Hi friends, how are you? This is once again Viral Shah, subject matter expert from Triple IM. We have gone through a number of topics in the different videos, but आज थोड़ा कुछ और अलग देखने के लिए जाते हैं हम लोग. When, if let's say one example, अगर मुझे ये पेन की ज़रूरत है, if I would like to note down something on a white marker board, तो मुझे ये पेन चाहिए. But if I don't have this pen in my premises, what the action I'm going to take? क्या मैं करने के लिए जाऊँगा? It's a simple action. That's what all we are going to take. We are not going to search out on the internet, or we are not going to wait for the salesman who can come at my doorstep. हम लोग वो नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? When we are having the genuine requirement or the immediate requirement, we are going to step out from our office. We are going to step out from our home, and we are approaching a stationery shop. When we are actually stepping into the market, we are finding out where is this stationery shop. And by some displays or by the board, we are able to identify that this is the stationery shop from where I can get my product. This identification is दो stationery shop वाले ने ऐसी क्या चीजें की हुई है जिससे हम लोग ये समझ पाते हैं कि this is the shop from where I can get my product. है ना. उसी तरीके से जर्मनी में कोई बाहर बैठा हुआ है, कोई तुर्की में बैठा हुआ है, कोई पोलैंड में बैठा हुआ है, कोई यूएसए में बैठा हुआ है. They are actually not going to wait for the exporters from India who are going to approach them. If they are having the genuine requirement, they are actually stepping into the market. When they are stepping into the market, you must be visible to them. आपको उनको दिखाना पड़ेगा. You must have to create some displays. You must have to identifiable. उनको दिखना चाहिए कि you are there to sell their kind of the product. वो जब मार्केट में आते हैं, they are stepping into the market, they are coming by two ways. It may be the online, it may be the offline. But when they are going to search it out, you on online, let me tell you that Indian traditional business people, they are not running the business. They are just running CID or RO. है ना. वो किस तरीके से बिजनेस करते हैं? वो इस तरीके से बिजनेस करते हैं, कान किसी को खबर ना हो कि मैं बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, मेरा प्रोडक्ट, मेरी स्ट्रेटेजी, मेरी डिजाइन. लेकिन ये जब आप करने के लिए जाते हैं, बायर को भी नहीं पता चलता that you are running the business or you are selling their kind of the product. तो वो नहीं करना है. We have to show them that we are having your kind of the product, we are having the product quality, different kind of the quality, different kind of the packaging or different kind of the product that can be bought by the people from all around the world. तो ये समझने की जरूरत है. We have to create our online presence. We have to create our displays. We have to put up a board by which we are being identifiable by the people from all around the world. How it can be done? वो किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं? हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे वर्ड्स सुने होंगे from all over the internet or different at the platforms. जैसे बोल सकते हैं B2B directories are there, or B2B websites are there, or B2C websites there, or the social media, or we can say the yellow pages or the local search engines, guerrilla marketing or the social media marketing. There are a lot of platforms where you can open your shop, your showrooms, by which the people are from around the world, they are coming into the market, they will see you that you are selling the product. इसमें बहुत एक important ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है, that's your own website. If you do have your own website, आपका खुद की एक दुकान होती है, आपका खुद का एक शोरूम होता है, जिसके अंदर से आप अलग अलग अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को डिस्प्लेस कर सकते हैं, अलग अलग कैटेगरीज दिखा सकते हैं. What you are exactly, why the people from all around the world, why the importers have to choose you, why they have to buy from you, वो सारी चीजें आप उसके ऊपर दिखा सकते हैं. एक अच्छी सी डायनेमिक वेबसाइट आपकी होनी चाहिए जिसके ऊपर आप अपना सारा डिस्प्लेस बना सकते हैं. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू क्रिएट अ वेबसाइट एज वेल एज अलग अलग जगहों पे अपनी डिस्प्लेस क्रिएट कीजिए, अपना प्रेजेंस नोट डाउन करिए. तो उससे जेन्युइनिटी बनती है, ऑथेंटिसिटी बनती है. द पीपल from across, from border of the country, बाहर वाले लोगों को, मतलब when they are going to search it out yourself into the Google, they will come to know. When they are coming onto the Google India and when they are going to search your company name, they will shock to see that you are everywhere on the every possible link of the Google's first page, and that create a very good positive impression on the buyers. है ना. तो ये करने की बहुत जरूरी है. अगर ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों ने कर ली, definitely you will be having a good amount of business into this export import industry. So on this very beautiful day, I just would like to wish you very best of luck. Just create your B2B marketing or just online marketing, just अपना online presence बनाइए, और it may be possible कि आपके पास फटाफट बिजनेस करने के आसान तरीके हासिल हो सकते हैं. बहुत सारी genuine requirement आपके पास आ सकती है. When buyers stepping into the market, you must be there by which they are able to identify you. So this is the thing that's what I would like to tell you about the name. Thank you very much. Wish you very best of luck. Thank you.